Today on Sack & Co. The holiday shopping season has arrived, and if you're looking for a gift to put a smile on the special man in your life, we have a preview of the hottest gifts for guys. So be sure you join us today on Sack & Co.
Cyber Monday behind us. The serious shopping and hunting for perfect gifts begins. And for the gadget-loving guy in your life, we have an array of must-have products that's sure to put a smile on any techie's face. And right now joining us is our next guest with some of the must-have, as mentioned, gadgets for the guys this holiday season is lifestyle expert. We have Sean McEwen. Sean, welcome to the show. Thank you so much for coming on over.
Yeah, and guys can be kind of finicky when it comes to buying holiday gifts and what are you going to get your guy for the holiday. So hopefully we have some good suggestions, so I'll jump right in if that's okay.
Please, take it away.
Okay, first of all, guys love gadgets, and this is great. This is the Z Boost 4G Data Blast. It enhances weak cell phone signals. I don't know about you, but sometimes you're at home and you're like, cell phone signal's not good. This will take care of that. It can increase internet speed also up to 20 times faster. It works for smartphones using Verizon or T-Mobile service. You can go to yx.com for all the information on that. That's wi-ex.com for all the information on that. Okay, speaking of cell phones, this is great. I love this phone. It's so super sleek and cool. It's the Cricket HTC Desire C smartphone, and this is great because essentially it was created, I'm going to show you how this looks right here, it's created for the demographic that only accesses their music through their phone. So it's got this Move Music service where you can access unlimited songs and downloads. It's got a fast 1 gigahertz processor, 5 megapixel camera. It's got a contract-free wireless plan, and you can go to mycricket.com for all the information on that. It starts at $50 a month for those plans. Super, super cool. From Cricket.
Contract-free, that's great.
Contract-free, gotta love it.
Wow.
Okay, this is great. Speaking of gadgets, this is the Fellows 63 CB paper shredder, and this is like the Rolls Royce of paper shredders. Keep organized and safe from identity theft. And check this out. We're going to do this really quickly. It's got cross-cut blades. It destroys documents into 399 particles. It's got a jam blocker technology. It's got a safe sense technology, so it disables if you touch its opening. And you can go to Amazon.com to pick that up, or go to Fellows.com for more information on that. Okay, also got to love this. This is fantastic. This is from Bench Pro. It's a Bench Top Pro for car and cycle enthusiasts. I'm going to lean this up so you can kind of see this. It's got a bio-remediating parts washer, and if I open this up here, it cleans greasy, dirty, and oily parts. Uses a self-cleaning solution. It's safe for the user and then the environment, and it includes free shipping for the holidays, so super cool. So if you got that guy who's into like the auto parts, degrease, cleans, all that good stuff, go to thebenchtoppro.com for all the information.
Too bad you can't put the hands in there though too, right?
Well, you can wash up your hands in there too. We're all good with that. Yeah, good stuff. Okay, so also this is great. This is from Dockers. This is the Dockers City Khakis, and I love these. I'm actually wearing an entire Dockers ensemble here today.
And you look smashing.
I feel very dapper. Thank you. But it's the best khaki technology, and what it does is it wards off and resists wrinkles. It's 100% cotton. It's machine washable, and you go to dockers.com for all the information on that. Also, we have here, got to have the wine covered. This is great. It's the Louis M. Martini Winery. Super fantastic wines. It's the ultimate Christmas Cabernet collection. It's based in Napa for nearly 80 years. It's got the renowned signature Cabernet Sauvignon and the elegant Monte Rosso Cabernet. It's for gift and for also pairing ideas. You can go to their Facebook page. It's facebook.com/Louis Martini Winery or louismartini.com for all the information on that. And last but not least, this is great. This is from Oral-B. It's the Oral-B Professional Precision 5000. Now, I love this. It's the most advanced rechargeable toothbrush out there. Super great gift for the holidays. It oscillates, rotates, pulsates. It's got 48,000 movements per minute. It's got a wireless smart guide feedback to ensure you brush 2 minutes and reach all the different mouth quadrants. And you can go to oralb.com for all the information on that. And here's what's also cool. We have this great website called giveawaynow.com, so you can find out more information about all these items and even win some of them if you just log on to giveawaynow.com. And you can also follow me on Twitter at AskSeanMcEwen, and I can tell you some more stuff about what we were talking about.
Okay, I do have some questions for you real quick. So you brought the fantastic wine.
Yes.
Thank you, by the way, for
that.
that.
Yeah, I was thinking of you.
Yes, I can tell. But the the toothbrush here, this is perfect for anyone that's a big heavy wine drinker.
Absolutely, yeah, it's so great. Again, like I said, it oscillates 48,000 times per minute, which is super great. So you get a fantastic brush and teeth cleaning. So super cool. And also, again, it's a gadget. Guys love gadgets, so you're gonna love the technology behind it. It's one of the best in the business, so super fun to use. Why not have a gadget in the bathroom? So kind of cool.
Yeah, it's rechargeable, like you mentioned too. So
Yes,
you don't worry about the whole
exactly.
battery thing. I want to talk about these pants though. My husband travels a lot for work, and you said that these are wrinkle-free, which is perfect for anyone that has to constantly pack.
Absolutely. I do a lot of traveling, and I love these because I'm also a terrible ironer, and I hate it. Like, I loathe ironing, and this was like a dream come true. So I absolutely love these, and also they're super fashionable. They look great, super easy to use. They're a nice price point.
I have to say too, to touch as well, it's a really nice material.
Yeah, it's a very nice material. They retail for about $64, but it's a really super nice material. They feel great. You look great. Good stuff.
And iron.
You don't have to iron.
Your life and you'll look great.
Exactly. And guys tend to not go out and kind of buy clothes for themselves, so you got to make sure you have that covered. So
that's right.
Good stuff.
And especially a product that you can keep for a while, so they have to avoid shopping often.
Definitely good
So,
stuff.
and then you had mentioned people can follow you on Twitter. So
yes. Ask Sean McEwen, and you can go to my Twitter page, and again, you can shoot me little Twitter messages, and hopefully we can write you back and talk more about the products we talked about today.
Sean, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Great
Happy
to have
holidays to you.
You too,
yeah,
and you
thanks.
certainly know your stuff.
Thank you.
Wow, this man is informed. All right, everyone, don't go too far. We actually have some yummies in the house. Gingerbread. Not only can you make gingerbread men, but we'll show you what else you can do with the product right after the break.